Today is a very special day as we gather to celebrate Ruth and Ricky's upcoming arrival of their little one. But before that, let us greet and sing a happy birthday to our amazing mother. Amazing mother! Happy birthday! Bastos kayo ah! Tao! Ayan na ako. Tao! Siya. Ay, naglag pa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.